my question is to you, doctor. Like, how we can take care of skin naturally? I mean,
okay, if you want to take care of skin naturally, then as much as cliched and repetitive that it is sounding, you make sure your diet is good, your health is good, because skin is always a product of what's inside. So it glows when you're healthy, when you're happy, when you're well rested. So make sure all of that is taken care of. Beyond that, what you could do is look at something which is more collagen regenerating, skin firming at this stage of post-pregnancy. So look for creams and oils probably with vitamin A in it, vitamin E in it. So look for those. Look for something which calms you down. It's an Indian way. I don't know whether it's all over India, but in South Indians, we end up giving really hot water bath to post-pregnancy women. So that itself will add on to more of skin irritation at some times. So look for something which is more calming. What you could also do is nice hydrant packs like maybe honey is a great hydrant. Regular coconut oil at home is a great hydrant. And when you're extending, since we are talking of brand, and there are brands which do anti-stretch mark oils that you're applying, extend it to the rest of your body. So it's not just stretch marks that you're bothered on the tummy. You need to understand stretch marks come from wherever the elastin is breaking up, wherever the collagen is unduly stretched. So it could be your backside, it could be your thighs, it could be your arms, it could be your breasts, it could be any of these areas. So you could extend that oil to the rest of your body as well and take care with it. So generally, that stretching feeling, itching feeling is taken care of, inflamed skin is taken care of, and also skin firms up really well. So that's something that you could really naturally do. And again, we keep referring back to our mums. I think it's a South Indian disease, isn't it?
All of us here on this panel are all Mangaloreans. So definitely,
so the Chandan, what we call, is a great thing. So you could end up using sandalwood, at home, which our mums did, coconut oil, which our mums did. And as she says, she's a mom, I'm a mom. I mean, I have a 15-year-old, she's a mom. So we all kind of did the same.
So Shilpa wanted to make it a point to say that by strange coincidence, all three of us are Mangaloreans from the same hometown.
Thank you so much. I'm sure the ladies have their answers to all the questions they had. Now, thank you.
Sure. Just on a parting note, to the lady who posed the question of hair fall and obviously skin worries and all of that, and I just think that the root cause of all problems is stress. And I think we women just stress a lot. So, I mean, the fact is that we do multitask and we also are huge stress bearers and we are the architect of our own stress. So I just think that whatever be the situation, and I know hormones play a very important part, especially after you've delivered a baby and even during a pregnancy. Men just want to run away from us because they think we're difficult to handle. But all said and done, I just think being positive is the only way and the only cure for all problems. I'm not saying that don't stress and stress is not going to come your way, but I'm just saying that calm yourselves down with some meditative music or I know I'm really old school and very boring, but it really works. It really does. And just be positive and just understand that if you're having a bad day, there's going to be a good day ahead. So that'll reduce your hair fall.
Thank you. I mean, that was great advice. So can we have a round of applause for the women sitting there and women sitting here who made it and who make our country proud. Thank you. I would like to thank Dr. Rashmi Shetty and Dr. Kiran Goyal. Thank you so much for being with us here today. Thank you. And yes, please. You can now take yours. No, there is a surprise there's a special surprise, ladies and everybody, and also to our media friends.